your friend's Smith. You want to see where excavator are? Let's go. Let me show you. You order the excavator plus 18. These equipment are ready to ship to your country. You are a rich boss. Boss, they are putting in protective breakage, so your cars won't be hurt during the shipping. I'm here. Your equipment gonna be safe, my boss. If you want to import any machinery and equipment from China, contact me via private message. I am your reliable partner.